एक म्हणजे गोंयांत बरी परंपरा ही पयलींच्यान आसा ती सदोदीत फॉलो केली वता. तुम्ही मुद्दा म्हणून काढून पळयात की देशाच्या इतर भागात किंवा जगाच्या इतर भागात अशा पद्धतीचे राज्य तुमकां दुसरे कडेन पळोवंक मेळचें ना.
Our stars crossing 2000 numbers. People from all over Goa have made stars in their house and they have brought. And the theme is eco-friendly stars. We do not use plastic. We do not use thermocol. And we promote the youngsters that they should make their own star. They are the stars, future stars of Goa and India. So they have to make their own stars in their house. They bring over here and we give them a holder with a lamp and it is being lit up. You can see some nice stars over here with some natural green grass also.